what's up, man? Hey, guys! Hey, guys!
Day 2 na kami sa Virgin Lab Fest. Those are the future artists. We're in front of the CCP, which is under renovation. We've been watching Virgin Lab Fest at the Black Box. So we're just in between sets. So we're walking around having merienda. And
Some of us dinner.
yeah. Nabuhay si Senadora. Nagulat ako nung sino kaya yan? Nagulat ako na nag-vows ka. Hoy, magaling kumanta to. Hindi nyo alam.
Yeah.
You should go back to singing. Yeah. Congrats.
You should go to the third floor. All of the posters for
really?
VLF 120 are there.
I'll
The
go.
omnibus stuff.
I'll go
And the
tomorrow.
timeline. You see,
Diba?
because we're celebrating 20 years.
Every year, 3 out of the 12 plays staged in Virgin Lab Fest are picked by VLF's artistic panel to return the following year for a repeat run. The 3 plays at May 2025's revisited set include Identite. A mother on vacation from the province comes to stay with her daughter in the big city. Doesn't take long before she finds a collection of dildos. Their generational gap is comically amplified as they tackle a woman's right to sexuality.
Aming direktor, Mehan Espinosa!
Ang aming manunulat, Julian Sosa!
Pagkapit sa hangin happens in a temporary treatment and monitoring facility in Cebu at the height of the COVID pandemic. Delivery of much-needed oxygen tanks becomes gravely scarce, so that a doctor and 2 nurses who have been working for 24 hours are forced to play God by deciding which patient gets to live.
Aming pangkat direktor, Mark Daniel Dalacat at Jose Estrella!
Nais po namin tawagin ang aming mandudula, Joshua Limso.
In Sa Babaeng Lahat, sexual awakening is ripe at an all-girls Catholic school. There is 14-year-old Marie who believes God has chosen her to be the next Immaculate Conception because of hormonal changes in her body, while her best friend Regina is figuring out her feelings for Gab, who flaunts her identity as a lesbian.
Nais po namin tawagin ang aming katuwang na direktor, Jillian Itaas.
Ang aming direktor, Kaisa Borromeo!
At ang aming mandudula, Elise Santos.
Virgin Lab Fest 20 is still running on its last weekend. Pwede pang humabol, just go to the Tanghalang Ignacio Gimenez behind the CCP. Check out their schedule on the VLF Facebook page.